Corn lollipop is an amazing starter recipe which is perfect for small gatherings or house parties or when guests come over. You can also have this as a snack. Today we are going to see how to make this easily at our home. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Wash 2 potatoes and add this to a pressure cooker. Add enough water. Cover and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, allow the pressure to release on its own. Meanwhile, heat up a pan. Add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Once the fennel and cumin seeds begin to crackle, add in 1 chopped onion and 2 green chillies. Now saute this till the onions are transparent. Once the onions are transparent, add in half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the beautiful aroma of garlic comes out. Now add in a cup of frozen corn. Now on low flame, saute for 5 minutes till the sweet corn is cooked and dry. It's been 5 minutes and the sweet corn is cooked. Now turn off the flame and let it come to room temperature. While it cools down, we'll peel and mash the pressure cooked potatoes. Once the corn has cooled down, transfer everything to a mixer jar. To this, add the mashed potatoes as well. Now we'll season it with spice powders. Add in half a teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala and handful of coriander leaves. To this, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and juice of half a lemon. To this, add in few drops of oil. I have added about a teaspoon of oil. Now combine everything well with the mixer grinder. Now we'll transfer it back to the bowl and to that add in 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs so that it doesn't stick to our hands while rolling. Now grease up your hands with oil and roll this into round shaped balls. Now repeat this process with the entire batch. Once you are done rolling, in a bowl take quarter cup of breadcrumbs and in another bowl add in 2 teaspoons of corn flour and a tablespoon of maida. To this add in 2 tablespoons of water and mix this without any lumps. Now take each of the rolled balls, dip it in the corn flour slurry so that everything gets coated well and coat it with breadcrumbs. Shaping the balls should be more easier and manageable at this step. I have rolled everything. Now deep fry this in a pan. Fry till all the sides are evenly golden. This would take about 5 minutes on medium flame. Now drain off the excess oil with a tissue paper and transfer it to a plate. Now gently insert a toothpick or skewer to the balls to turn it into a lollipop. Serve with ketchup or mayonnaise and enjoy. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.